Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today is school vlogs. This is the nursery class students. They are fresher newcomer. They are still crying because today is their first time school life. This is the Araha. This is the Ahan. He is still crying because they never had stayed without their parents. Today is first time they are staying without their parents. After that, I have given them playthings. Now they are starting playing. They are playing. First of all, I have tried how to adjust them, but they are not stopping. Continue crying. This is the Ahan. He is very good person. This is the Ring Marie. She also very perfect girls. She never cry. Now they are playing. They are playthings. After playthings getting, they are very happy. Now they are busy with playing. This is the Zilia. She is very dangerous. Let's see, they are playing. They are running and jumping and playing, throwing balls, throwing materials, toy things materials. They are very cutie students. This is the nursery classes students. Today is their first time school life. Now they became good. Now almost they are forgetting their moms. They can stay without their moms. It is the improving to this class. Now they are standing, they are jumping, they are throwing, they are playing. Almost they are forgetting their moms. Let's see again. They are drama. Today is their first time drama. School life drama. School life drama. Today is their first time school drama. Let's see there again. Now they are improving. I'm telling again. After this class, they will get leisure time. That time they can go with their parents. That's why they are happy. Already I have told them after this class you can go with their moms. Always asking, where's my mom? Where's my moms? This is the Nargis. This is the Insia. I'm telling again. Hello. This is the again telling Ring Marie. Now only they are trying to get out. Hi everyone. Please listen.
আইসক্রিম লাগবো নি
Speak in Bengali.
লাগবো কয়টা টাকা আছে নি কয় টাকা ও তুমি আইসক্রিম খাইব ঠান্ডা লাগেনি ঠান্ডা মিষ্টি লাগেনি ও তুমি বাংলা ভাষা কইতে পারেনি দুইটা পারে তোমার নাম কি বাবানি নাম কি মার নাম কি মানি নাম কি পারানি বুমুং কামো পারার নাম কি আচ্ছা বাজারে যাইবনি বাজার আছে ও ভাত খাইছি নি কি তরকারি আছে
She is
तुम्हारे
very
नाम क्या है
advantage
नाम क्या है
advantage student.
নিনি মুংতামো
He is Ahan.
নাম কি
He is Ahan.
ও
Cannot understand Bengali.
কথা কইতে পারেনি
Yes.
বাংলা ভাষা কইতে পারেনি কও
Very
ভাত
funny
খাইছে
person.
কি তরকারি হ্যাঁ মাছ দে আচ্ছা
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel.